Today, I am reviewing NIMO 17.3-inch FHD laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to finding a reliable laptop for students, professionals, or casual home users, the NIMO 17.3-inch FHD laptop stands out as a versatile choice in 2025. Today, we'll dive deep into everything this laptop offers, from performance and display to design and usability, so you can decide if it's the right fit for you. Starting with the processor, the NIMO N171B is powered by the 12th Gen Intel Core i3-1215U, a 6-core, 8-thread CPU that can reach speeds of up to 4.4 GHz with Turbo Boost. This makes it not only faster than older i3 models, but also capable of outperforming some mid-range Ryzen CPUs like the 7320U and 7520U. What this means in practical terms is smooth multitasking. You can run multiple applications simultaneously, stream videos, or even handle moderate workloads without noticeable lag. Whether it's web browsing, office productivity, or light content creation, this CPU ensures a responsive and efficient experience. Pairing this processor with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM ensures that multitasking is fluid. Switching between browsers, spreadsheets, and video conferencing apps won't slow the system down. Storage is handled by a 256GB PCIe SSD, which not only offers faster boot times, but also provides rapid access to your files and programs. While it's not the largest storage option on the market, it's ideal for students or professionals who primarily work in the cloud or with external drives. Now, let's talk about the display. This laptop features a 17.3-inch Full HD IPS panel with an anti-glare coating. The large screen size combined with an 85% screen-to-body ratio makes it ideal for extended work sessions, streaming movies, or multitasking with multiple windows side by side. The IPS technology ensures accurate colors and wide viewing angles, so visuals remain consistent whether you're watching content alone or sharing it with friends or colleagues. In terms of usability, NIMO has added several thoughtful features. The backlit keyboard allows for comfortable typing even in dimly lit environments, and the integrated fingerprint reader adds a layer of security with quick, password-free login. Connectivity is also strong, with multiple USB ports, an HDMI output for external monitors, a Type-C 65W charger with GaN technology for fast and efficient charging, and Wi-Fi 6 support to ensure reliable wireless connectivity. Battery life is another highlight. While it's rated at around 5 hours, real-world usage such as browsing, streaming, and productivity work can last longer depending on workload and settings. Combined with the compact Type-C fast charger, topping up the battery is convenient whether at home, in class, or on the go. The build quality is solid for a laptop of this category. It's lightweight at just 3.8 pounds, yet it feels sturdy, with a premium blue finish that stands out. The inclusion of features like HD audio, a numeric keypad, and a memory card slot adds versatility for work, learning, or entertainment. Overall, the NIMO N171B offers an excellent balance of performance, display quality, portability, and value. It's ideal for students, remote workers, and anyone needing a reliable large-screen laptop for everyday computing tasks. With a 2-year warranty and 90-day return policy, it also provides peace of mind for buyers who want a hassle-free experience. In conclusion, if you're searching for a well-rounded 17.3-inch laptop in 2025 with solid performance, a large immersive display, and useful productivity features, the NIMO N171B is definitely worth considering. From multitasking to entertainment, it can handle it all efficiently, making it one of the standout laptops in its class.